Hello everyone, myself Raman Sharma, and today I'm really very happy because that I'm just going to show you a great result of my best student named Loveleen from Shatrana. She got 9 out of 9. So I personally want that kindly share your experience with Raman's Academy.
I'm Loveleen and I passed my senior secondary recently and then I joined Raman's Academy and I think it was the best thing that and after I joined I saw that it has the best staff. They were very cooperative. I got the latest material even. And also thanks to Raman sir and Nav ma'am, they teach so well. Because of their classes only I scored this much score, and I think you also joined our classes for the best result. Thank you.
Front of the camera, she's just feeling nervous, nothing else. Because firstly, can I please come here? I just want to show you the score. This is not a fake or anything. That's called an ID number. You people see. Test date, full name, Loveleen Kaur, listening 9. So overall we have a 7 and not less than anything. So this is called a result I wanted to show you. So I really want to thankful to everyone who supports us, and in future if anyone just want to crack their exam within a first attempt, kindly remember one and only Raman Academy. We usually provide offline as well as online classes. For more information, you may talk on these numbers. Thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye.